Hello everyone, this is Pawan and I registered for the MSP program 2010 and this is my leadership video and I'm going to talk about the leadership skills and the leadership initiative that I had taken in my high school days. Now I believe that leadership is not only about dominating your team or anything like that, but it's also about sharing everything in the team. That is where the unity comes in. Now, as a leader, you will have different kind of members in your group. So it is not only that only your views and only your ideas should come in. It's actually like you have to take in all the ideas of all the members, because different people have different opinions about how to deal with the thing. So it actually now. As soon as you picture this kind of leadership or anything related to that in your mind, what comes to one's mind is obviously the positive attitude. Now without that, I don't think anyone can succeed in life. So the basic thing is the positive attitude. You need to be positive about everything, and I'm speculating on this one because it is one of the most important things, important qualities as a leader to have, is that the positive attitude. Now you need to start on a positive note, and you need to motivate your team in such a way that they shouldn't feel low, or they should be interested. The first thing is the interest, I think, more than even the positive attitude. Once we are interested in anything, then we feel like we can do anything. So when I was in high school, actually I was chosen as the captain of a particular group where it consisted of 60 to 70 of us. So what I learned from that is that leadership is not an easy task actually, especially when there is a group of 60 to 70 people. You need to look after each and every one's ideas and each and every one of them, how they're feeling about it and all that. So one main thing is that what I learned is that the determination should always be right. That is, you need to know what you're doing. That is the first thing. And you need to feel in your mind that whatever you're doing is actually for the right thing, or you're going on the right path. Now that is where the leadership skills actually come in. You need to know where you're going, where you're going to end up after this. So these initial stages are very important as a leader, I guess. Now I would like to share this little instance where our group was actually selected for the volleyball inter-group tournament, and first of all, to be frank, we really didn't want to participate in the tournament, but then we got some motivation from behind that if we can really struggle hard, practice well and do it, we can make it for the finals. And we eventually did make it to the finals, and we even won the tournament. So we actually worked really hard for that. I mean, hard work is obviously necessary for your success. So this is what I'm going to say. Actually, whatever you are supposed to do now, have determination in that and be focused. Now, so just stay focused and just believe that you're going to do it. That confidence is the key to anyone's success. So just be aware of what you're doing. Just be aware that you are in the right path, and we have to take advices from our peers. We shouldn't disrespect them or discourage them, because even they play a very important role. Now being a leader is not a great thing, but being accepted by your teammates that he is a leader is a really good thing. Now I'm really looking forward for this MSP program, and I'm really looking forward to being an MSP and share all these experiences with them. So thank you very much.